supercharge your sales game with the Mobo CRM Mobile App. This powerful tool puts your entire sales pipeline at your fingertips, making it perfect for Odoo users. Let's jump in and explore how to use this app to manage your CRM like a pro. Get the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open it up, punch in your Odoo server URL, like http, pick your database from the drop-down, and enter your username and password. Just like that, you're plugged into your CRM data, ready to hustle. If you're connecting to a local server, say one running on your office computer, make sure your mobile and that server are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Use your server's local IP address, like http 192.168.x/8069, to log in. For live or cloud-hosted servers, you're good to go from any network. This app supports only Odoo Community versions 17 and 18. Time to dive into the pipeline view of your command center for sales opportunities. Check out all your opportunities at a glance and switch between Kanban, list, calendar, graph, or activity views using the dropdown. Need to zero in on something? Use the search bar or filters to find exactly what you need. To create a new opportunity, hit the plus button, fill in the details, and tap Add. Want to tweak an opportunity? Click on the opportunity from the list, hit Edit, update it, and save. Click the message icon to see activity and history, and add notes or schedule tasks. With the three-dot menu, you can mark it as won or lost, or whip up a quotation in seconds. Got leads? The Leads view has you covered. Add a new lead by tapping the plus button, entering details, and hitting Save. Tap any lead to edit its info. With the three-dot menu, convert it to an opportunity, mark it as lost, or bring back a lost lead all in a snap. Creating and managing quotes in the quotations view is a total game changer. Hit the plus button to start a new quote, then scroll down to fill in the details. Add order lines to specify products, include optional products for upselling, use the quote builder to customize your offer. Add other info for extra details, and upload a signature right there. When you're ready, tap Save. Need to take action? Use the three-dot menu to email the quote, confirm it, or cancel it, all done in a few taps. Plus, tap the invoice icon to jump to the invoice screen, where you can view and manage all invoice details with ease. Our customers are at the heart of your CRM, and this app makes managing them effortless. Browse the customer list and tap a profile to view or update contact info, company details, or interaction history. Hit the Edit button to keep everything fresh and up to date. It's customer management made simple. Take control with the Settings section. Update your profile by tapping Edit Profile. Want to switch accounts? Tap your profile picture, then the book icon to open the drawer and pick another account or add a new one. Check your company info with Company Profile. Ready to log out? Hit Log Out, confirm in the pop-up, and you're out quick and easy. That's the Mobo CRM for Odoo Mobile App, your ultimate partner for sales success. Download it today from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and start selling smarter. Thanks for watching, and let's take your CRM to the next level.